abataka bagira ngo kujaguza kishemerire ahabwe binte bukozwe government ya NRM kandi birikurebwa na mnonge nkora ya parish development model okusya amashanyarazi mu bantu hamwe no kutungura ibyo bihereza
tukaraba mwitwanga ba NRM na ba flag bearers tubose Muhima Town Council ndire rumuntu asana twakore record risinga itwanga ba NRM okwa 85% cyakala kemwarangira mu kiru cya munabwira tukaraba mu nabataka tukabasinja tuchibasinja rekoma mushakuru kandi basinja tuhya kwesisoni.
Urumeya wa Hima Town Council Hilda Mate yariko kushemerwa habwa Hima kweterira higura karuru ka President Museveni mu constituency yona.
Etamwe no myaka 5 etwa mabiri wunza His Excellency the President mwafayo kwa mundu wa hisi amatulebekere PDM. Obule mundu akatunga milioni ngumangoma erangira chamara amaromwabu nako. Tukanze risima government ya Uganda Muhima Town Council yabitukolera shanzira sinene ne yutamwe maram abandu betu hati abakando mushanzire shuwene ne maramu ineku kandi tukakisimiro mushakuru.
Businge John Mugenyi ore NRM chairperson abwa Hima Town Council yaganza gumana rondo bushagici obwe kibina cha NRM okurebuka ngo cyagumansinga arakugira ngo cyo kusinga mu karuru nuchore ko bwesije obwo abantu bino mu kibina
bije mu bwingi abakuba hano no hari ensonga weri wano tunakora twakoma LC5 muhinde bukombi Elfaz hamuna abakansala zibe Talemwa Moses hamuna tuhere Justin abo ne babaitu ne babakujja kwa bale naito bwangu mbatware bizibu byaitu mu district council na district council ne bitwara mu parliament.
Echo kusinga karuru nagira ngo nahabwo kushanga ngo abantu batunjira amashanyarazi omyanya itari yemwe nemwe omurihima ekinduire ahamagaraga abantu.
Sanyarazi amezi byona biriyo mbigenda mu maiso kurora ngo Uganda yetu yasemera na muno ekintu kikwatagana amasanyarazi almost Muhima Town Council amasanyarazi gagenzenge yongera wade tuchene byaro bitaina amasanyarazi so ekireke twakoma nkoko ebyaro byetu bitungira amasanyarazi ebindi then ntumanya nebye bitakatungire mbijya koraki kakuba tumwongere kisanje najya kutunga amasanyarazi.
Bwanyuma yo kurangira nko musinguzi wentebe yo myishengero ahabwa Busongora North Honorable Kitanywa Sowedi nagira ngo atwire nakoratira program za government na mnongamizi no kuyamba abashubuzi bakatare okurwanisa oboro makagabo kandi eki cyumiretire kusinga etsanja cya kabiri.
I am happy that I was able to follow up with the Ministry of Water and a number of gravity flow schemes are under construction in my constituency. But also secondly, I introduced my own programs that relate to the local person, like the program for market vendors. It is one of the programs that has sold me very well.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Mate Isaac ahabwa Tayali West Omar Kasese.